Hi, my name's Chrissy from the Lindy Charm School for Girls. You can see up here, and our details will be on the website. Today's hair tutorial with our beautiful model Amanda Jane is going to be a Betty Grable inspired hairstyle. So it'll be a page boy rolls at the side, but it'll have 2 victory rolls at the front. Don't need a lot of tools, you just need the good tools, the products that you're going to use continually for all your vintage hairstyling. So let's get started. We're going to do a simple barrel roll set. I'm going to start with my sections using my comb. Really important that you get nice section pieces. So I use the end of my comb, pick up the hair. I don't want to take too much and I don't want to take too wide. Next I want to spray the hair. Don't want to make it wet, but I do want to coat all of the hair in the setting lotion. I comb it through and then I want to wrap with my hot roller. Pull the hair nice and tight because that's really important to lengthen the cuticles of the hair. It gives you a better roll. The preparation stage is really important. I want to take the width of the roller only. I don't want the hair to fall off the sides. That's not going to get any of the heat. Making sure the ends are nice and tucked in, like so. You don't want to have those ends sticking out. Nice and firm, width of the roller, and clamp. The more rollers I have, the better, and they've all gone under, under, under. We'll turn around to the front. So now I'm going to do the sides. The sides I want to roll forward vertically. Section the hair. I'm going to use a smaller one and tuck those ends in and clamp it. You'll see that there's quite a width at the base, so I'm going to split it and do the rollers like that. All the rollers are going forward. Okay, so now I've finished the other side. So we'll let them cool down, probably about 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll brush it out for you. So now Amanda's hair has cooled down, the rollers have cooled down. We're going to take them out. I want to unroll them the way that I've rolled them in, and that way we have all this beautiful structure. Okay, so all the curls are out. So I generally give it a little bit of a spray with a light hairspray, just to cool it down. A little bit more strength to the curl. Starting at the front, you'll see the shine start to take hold. I brush under and over and then pull it down, and look at that beautiful shine. I'll do it to each roll, and then I'll start to join the sections. The thing about a brush out, and when you've done a good set, there's not a whole lot you need to do to create the hairstyle. I'll just show you how it just springs underneath itself. One of these things, a slide comb in there or a bobby pin just holds it into that place. Very Lauren Bacall. Got a classic 1940s or 1950s hairstyle. Very, very typical page boy. I'll get Amanda to turn around. I just took the rollers out and I brushed it under. I haven't even sprayed it. Good set, and you're done. So I want to show you now how I can take this and bring it up to 2 rolls, and that way it'll look like a very classic Betty Grable look. So taking out the side comb and using either my nail or a rat tail comb, we want to take it from the tip of the ear to the scalp. So turning to the side, see how nice and clean the part is? That's really important. All right, so what I would like to do with this hair now is I want to back comb it at the base. So at the back here, really short and sharp back combing just to get some volume and some lift. If I was to just roll like this, see how it sinks down? So I need to get some lift at the base. That's probably one of the mistakes that girls make when they're doing their victory rolls is that they don't create enough base here. So wrapping it around my fingers, grabbing it with my thumb. Don't wrap too tight. You want to bring it round like a J. So I'm laying it now on her part. So that has closed in the back. If I turn her head around, you'll see how it's closed in the back nicely. Bring it around to the front. And good grips, you want to go on the inside and run it along the scalp. See how it's nicely closed in, and the bobby pins on the inside. So now we're going to do the same on the other side, nice and straight. And short and sharp until I get a nice full base. So with this section of hair, I want to meet it over there. So I'm going to wrap it around my fingers, sharp grip on the inside. And when it comes together, it forms the shape of a V, which is where the victory roll got its name. Now notice how the sides have just bounced back into place. And that's because they've got great structure from the setting lotion. Put a little bit of grooming cream, this stuff here, beautiful, on my comb. Bring it through the teeth. What this does is it sticks all the flyaways to the hair, and then I can give it its final spray. You can even use the tail of your comb. There we go, we have a 1940s Betty Grable inspired hairstyle. My name's Chrissy, I'm from the Lindy Charm School for Girls. Why not subscribe to my website, our newsletter, keep up to date, and all of the products we've used we actually sell on site. So go shopping. Have a great day everyone.